I haven't seen anybody do this, but I've done it and it works well. This is an RV connection box. So if you want to connect your RV to your home, I adapted this to be on my generator shed so that I can connect my my whole home cable when the power goes out to my generator shed without having to snake it through a little janky hole on here or go or do anything. I can just make secure connections outside here into my inlet port here off of my breaker box. It's really simple to do. Got the box, stabilized it, just a couple pieces of scrap wood, just stabilized it. I ran the line from there and plug it into your generator as normal. Now all I have to do is take that cable that I keep in here, pull it out when there's a storm, connect right outside, never really have to snake it through anything.